awful tough lately. Smoking a lot of cigarettes lately. But inside, it's just a little baby.
Drop it.
It's okay to say that a weak spot.
It's Hoodie Allen.
Always have to be on top.
What up, Arena? You know how we do. They telling me to take the safe route. This is the detour. Hoodie, baby, you ain't seen a kid like this before him. Late night shooting for the moon like Warren. Them hits come out as soon as you hit recording. Born in America, Chevy and Ford. But these Greek ladies loving me, they saying he's foreign. Floored them, blew the crowd down by their bootstrap. Came up on the scene so quick you think we was a newscast. Well, newsflash, I can see through that. People try to hide what's on their mind like a do-rag. Never would I do that, I'm a real fucking hustler. You be in the background making noise like a muffler. But if it doesn't kill me, it makes me tougher. And that's a message that I pass on to my brother. You never really gonna make a difference till you suffer, but we passed that. Now it's time to smash that thunder.
Acting awful tough lately. Smoking a lot of cigarettes lately. But inside.
Hey, yo, hallo Minecraft-Freunde, Minecraft-Suchtis und nicht Minecraft-Suchtis. Ich habe noch mal merci sagen für das Jahr auf YouTube, wo ich bis jetzt bin. Videos machen, macht mir mega Spass immer noch. Und mit euch als Community ist es einfach richtig geil. Das war ein kleines Weihnachtsspezial gewesen. Ich hoffe, es hat euch gefallen, obwohl die Quali ein bisschen schlecht ist. Aber ich habe richtig viel Zeit reingesteckt und ich wünsche euch auf jeden Fall einen schönen Festtag und einen guten Rutsch ins neue Jahr. Tschüss zusammen.